do I feel happy in life? Let's see.
Hello, my name is Arceli, and I am going to make one of those Spotify plaques from TikTok. So I just went to the dollar store, picked up this plaque and some masking tape because I'm going to be completely painting this, like no printer at all or anything, just acrylic paint. So I'm gonna start off by opening this picture frame thing. I bought it because that's what I saw other people using. I picked up the exact same one. I'm pretty sure every single dollar store has it. So it just says Certificate of Achievement. I guess you just pop it out. Alright, so it's already dirty. Here it is. It's pretty dirty, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean it first. Also, I'm terrified of cutting myself because this cheap dollar store glass is very sharp. So I'm going to be using gloves for this because I realized my oily fingies and this glass don't mix. And I'm using this All the Ray-Bans cloth to clean this, or attempt to. I think I need some sort of glass cleaner, but I don't know that we have any. I think it'll be alright, and I'm not like a perfectionist or anything, so I really don't care if there's little things messed up about this project. That might bother some of you, but so with the masking tape, I'm going to measure out a 5.5 by 5.5 square. And I've seen people do like 5 by 5 pictures, or they print out the pictures 5 by 5. But I'm different, so we're doing 5.5. Don't kill me, but this is probably not even. I just completely gave up on trying to figure it out. So I eyeballed it like I always do. So now I am very stupidly gonna try to outline the circle from the album cover with this Sharpie. And yes, I know this is not the right one, but we're working with what we got, alright? Okay, so I know this isn't looking too good, but hopefully paint can sort of override the Sharpie. It's gonna be alright. So another issue has come about. I guess that this glass doesn't like paint, and I went in for a second layer. The first layer was dry, it was very thin, and the second layer has taken off the first layer. So this is turning out to be a complete failure. We might have to move on to plan B, which is just painting on a separate piece of paper, which I really should have thought about before. Yep, so I'm scrapping this and I'm just gonna paint it on a separate piece of paper and then go from there. I ended up using E6000 glue because that's all we had, and then I freehanded the writing with a black Sharpie. And there she is. It doesn't look horrible, but it definitely does not look as good as it should. I am blinding you right now. Sorry about that. Thank you so much for watching, and this was quite the roller coaster. Didn't turn out the way I expected it to, but I'm not mad at it. Kind of cute in my opinion. And like I said, I'm not a perfectionist at all, but I don't know. I just go with the flow of things, and I kind of like how it turned out. And don't follow me if you are a perfectionist, because this is not good for you guys. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I don't know, maybe try it out, maybe you'll do it better. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Mwah.